Improvements have been made with parent shape in this version. So if you bring down the behavior panel, there's an option for parent shape which should be on by default. And what this means is that any cutters that you have made will be parented to the target, allowing you to rapidly move them around as you see here. In fact, I'll turn off release lock and release lock laser cut, and now we can just cut as normal, just performing cuts, laser cutting, just clicking and left mouse clicking to confirm without having to perform the extrude operation. And all of these cuts can be moved around. In fact, we can perform a slice. In fact, we'll bevel it to the spacebar to jump that into its laser cut operation, just performing box cuts ever so fast. And if we select our target, we see that we're able to move this around. And if we grab this shape, we're not able to move things around as you would imagine. But if we late parent it, we also are not able to move this around. And this is due to some complications with the hierarchy whenever it comes to dealing with slices and who's who whenever it comes to being in control. So there are some limitations to this system, but we have been working towards making parenting as robust as ever, for at least ensuring that there is some way for users to be able to get their things moving, even though for the most part you can deal with duplicating and using multiple versions of these by using collection instances, which is more recommended. In fact, if we select both of these, press Ctrl G, we have now made a new collection that we can call BAWX. And if we Shift A, we can add a collection instance of box that now, anytime that we perform modifications to this, it will now carry over. And we can just rotate this around, duplicate it, have as many of them as we need in the scene. And then there's just a master one that we're able to continue updating on the fly. But whenever it comes to controlling your cutters on the fly, that is where parent shape comes in handy for you, for ensuring that you're able to have the control that you need when you need it. In fact, moving this around with all of these rotated instances does look a little bit crazy when you look at it.